Starting around 13 September 2023, Ethereum really is exchanging at $1,596.43 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.43% in most recent 60 minutes, which especially is very huge. ETH by and large has a really complete market cap of $191,926,242,599, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,401,016,611 in an unobtrusive manner. This truly makes Ethereum, ETH, genuinely positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market, which essentially is very huge. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum truly be in every practical sense worth in 2023? Which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Is Ethereum a very wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will ETH value sort of outperform its untouched high, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking? These certainly are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future in a significant manner. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023. As per the Ethereum conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost especially is supposed to for the most part cross an especially normal value level of $2,139.84, the normal truly least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the truly current year. Ought to by and large be $2,048.41 in a for the most part enormous manner. Besides, ETH can, all things considered, arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $2,335.71, which explicitly is genuinely huge. ETH value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum really is determined to be at around a sort of least worth of $1,737.18, or so they explicitly thought. The Ethereum value worth can essentially arrive at a genuinely limit of $1,974.90, with the typical exchanging worth of $1,920.04 in United States dollars, showing how ETH certainly has a truly all-out market cap of $191,926,242,599, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,401,016,611, which fundamentally is very huge. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Ethereum in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $1,923.70 and $2,070.90, which explicitly is very huge. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $1,996.84 in a really significant manner. ETH value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Ethereum in a real sense is gauged to be at around an exceptionally least worth of $1,945.35 in a kind of enormous manner. The Ethereum value worth can basically arrive at an especially limit of $2,150.77, with the typical exchanging worth of $2,036.78 in United States dollars, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. ETH value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Ethereum in a real sense is gauged to fundamentally be at around a sort of least worth of $2,004.37, showing that ETH especially has an all things considered complete market cap of $191,926,242,599, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,401,016,611, really, in spite of mainstream thinking. The Ethereum value worth can basically arrive at a sort of limit of $2,252.61, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $2,077.51 in United States dollars, exhibiting that assuming that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what, for the most part, is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023. What will Ethereum certainly worth in 2023 in a fundamentally enormous manner? Ethereum, ETH, value estimate December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Ethereum especially is somewhat anticipated to truly arrive at a typical cost of $2,139.84, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $2,335.71. and at least $2,048.41, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum kind of past value examination and for the most part beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been in a real sense diminished by 0.36% in its truly current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we sort of look at the ongoing business sector cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap most certainly is likewise down in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum really is confronting a genuinely tough time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, or so they sort of thought. The ETH for the most part is down to nearly 2.12% in the sort of most recent 7 days, which really is genuinely huge. The coin essentially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for commonly past lovely few days. The coin could have major areas of strength for genuinely at the same time. We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in by and large present moment, which especially is genuinely huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH generally diminished by 15.464%. Wiping out an astounding kind of normal amount of $292.02 from its ongoing worth in a very enormous manner. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be an excellent purchase and open door for pretty fast venture, which generally is very critical. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is around 1.88%. And the cost in a real sense flowed from a base certainly normal cost of $1,539.51 to especially most extreme in every practical sense, normal cost of $1,647.19 in the fundamentally beyond 90 days, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. In sort of most recent 4 months Ethereum especially has shown a developing pattern in a by and large significant manner. Subsequently, we truly feel that comparable pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, so the coin for the most part is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for truly past, especially couple of days. The coin could especially have sort serious areas of strength for of however, we don't for the most part believe that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum especially is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting that ETH value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum basically is estimated to basically be at around a truly least worth of $1,737.18 in an unobtrusive manner. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost in an unobtrusive manner. The coin truly is up by 17.31%, with the fundamentally most extreme exceptionally normal cost of the coin really was around $1,200.